What's up, Collision Drumsticks? My name is Matthew Pawlowski, and I've been a drummer for about 25 plus years, give or take. I'm currently in a band called Deceiving the Spectre. Check us out on YouTube, Facebook, Spotify, all that good stuff. We've got some really good shows coming up and some new material coming out soon, so stay posted. I wanted to share with you guys my drumstick of choice. I like the Collision 5Bs. Reason being, because they hold up really, really well with the heavy hitting type of music I play. I was using the 5ARs. The 5ARs are awesome, although I do think that they start to chip up a little too much. So they might just be the extra reach, but I decided to stick with the 5Bs. Now I just want to give a shout out to Collision for having awesome customer service. You guys are top notch. Anytime I need anything, you're there for me. So I want to give a shout out to you guys also for making some badass sticks. Now I'm going to run through a playthrough of a little something I'm working on. It's not named or anything yet, but it's just an idea for my band, possibly in the future. I'm also going to share a link to a video of one of our live shows. So here we go.